Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be transferring video wirelessly from the Osmo Action 4 to the iPhone and to your computer. Let's say you lost the cord, you forgot the cord, maybe you're just tired and you want to cut the cord. Anyway, in this video we're going to show you how to do that. So it'll go from here to here to here, okay? And then you can push it to Final Cut Pro or whichever application it is that you use to edit your video projects. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, we're going to go into the DJI Mimo application. If you don't see it, just go into the search menu. So there it is up there, but if you don't, just type in DJI and Mimo will show up. And this is the splash screen, and it should connect to your Osmo Action 4 or 3, and click connect. See, there it is. There I am. I never thought, hi. Anyway, on the bottom left-hand corner, just press that play button. Okay, and once you press the play button, you'll see your library of videos or even photos. We're going to choose this one over here on the third one in the top row. Okay, there it is. And then what we're going to do is either you can pick it up, and then what you do is see that little download button. Now this is going to download it to our phone. Okay, so once you download it to your phone, you can then transfer it to your computer. See that little progress bar on the bottom right hand corner? Once that's done, you'll be able to push it to your machine. Okay. And you know, you can, I recommend, you could also scroll through other things in the meantime while that's downloading. As you can see, you're like, you know, maybe what else am I going to do? Maybe that one, maybe that one. Never thought I'd see myself on my phone. See the progress bar at the top? See, so you can still browse in the meantime. You don't have to watch it. Okay, so it downloaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to quit the DJI Mimo, and then we're going to go into photos. Remember, this is on the iPhone. And there I go, right there. It downloaded onto phone. But now I want to push this to my computer, right? Into my, so that I could actually what you want to do is, when you press it, you'll see it playing. So what you do is you want to tap, okay? And then when you tap, another menu appears, right? And then you just press share. And I'm going to, you see the little airdrop thingy on the MacBook? You press the airdrop. See, and you hear that do-do-do, and that means it's pushing it to the desktop on your machine. And then, let's see, 3, 2, 1, voila! It is now on the desktop, so we can actually close this screen right here and bring us back to the regular experience. So if you have your downloads set to go to your desktop, that's where it will be. Or for me, I actually have downloads to go into my downloads folder, and there it is. Voila, there I am. Now I can go here, drag it to the desktop, and then if you can, if you want to, you can open up Final Cut, create a new project, put it into your timeline, and that's pretty much it. This pretty much summarizes the wireless transfer experience. We'll just do Untitled. For your DJI, we'll do a new library. We'll just call it Untitled 1. And we should be able to drag that in and scrub it through. Voila. Oh, there you go. All right. But catch you guys on the flip side. Kind of neat, huh? As easy as 1, 2, 3. And that pretty much sums it up. It's a really easy, streamlined process, and I hope that this helps you moving forward. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.